In this video, I'm going to cover about why the HubSpot CMS Hub Starter is the best choice for everyone, like for every business, even though you are a small business owners. Really, to be honest, when you're building a website, it's not just a one-time configuration. It requires maintenance, and it also requires hiring the right developer to maintain your website. You also need to be careful of looking a right hosting provider and tools that you should be using in configuring your website. And on top of that, there are some extra third-party tools that you need to pay in, like the SSL, CDN, premium hosting provider, and the list goes on. You should be also not independent on your developer, but you also need to familiarize the platform. And some of the CMS platform has a very complicated documentation. If you choose HubSpot, it will lessen your risk to gamble your investment on that tool, because HubSpot has an internal team to provide all the support for you, like for the documentation, how to use their platform. They have a very robust documentation that your entire team can take a look. You also don't need to worry about configuring the SSL, the security, the backup, and all of the stuff into your website, because it is handled by the internal team in HubSpot. And the developer as well is not really mandatory, because you can even start creating pages, because HubSpot has a built-in templates already that you can use. So it's not a mandatory to have a developer to maintain your website if you use the HubSpot CMS platform. Now, the good thing in HubSpot is it is now more affordable than ever, and this involves limited blog creation. So as I said with you guys, HubSpot is an all-in-one tools. It has this in-depth tracking analytics feature where you can see your visitors' behavior when they land to your website. And actually, I have a video on this related about the 5 reasons why you should choose HubSpot. So I'm going to put on the link description below if you are interested. HubSpot is not just a typical website builder, because it is an all-in-one tools that will fit for your marketing and for your sales. And at the same time as well, if you purchase their starter plan, you can also open to their bundle, which is affordable for business owners. But before I jump into my computer, I hope you can subscribe and like the video below if you find this helpful. Now I'm going to share with you my computer, and let's check their pricing details so you can fully understand the features that you can get if you open to their starter plan. Let's begin. So if you jump into the pricing page of HubSpot, you can see the individual products that they offer. Now let's focus on the CMS one, which I really like about, because it only costs you $25 per month to get started and $23 for annual payment. Of course, you need to pay the annual price, which is $270 if you want to save money. And these are already the features that you can access. And by the way, it is composed with 3 tiers: the starter, professional, and enterprise. But as I said, you can already get started with the starter plan, right? So what you can get with a starter plan is a premium hosting, which costs normally $20 per month. It's really a good deal. Plus this content delivery network, which you should probably take $5 to $10 per month to have that in Cloudflare and configure all the bells and whistles. On top of that, you also need to hire a developer to configure your CDN. They also have a standard SSL certificate. I mean, it's already included in the plan. And that also costs you additional fee if you purchase it on a third-party website. I think you need to pay it for an annual thing for the SSL. And what I really like about is the firewall one, which is super important to detect potential attacks. I will not explain everything in here, but if you want to see all the features that you can access for the starter plan, then simply click the see all features there. Okay, you really don't need to hire a developer to get started with the CMS starter plan, because there's already available tools that you can use to set up your themes, which is this one, the website themes. You can also download our free themes at FThemes, I'm gonna put the link description below if you want to use our themes there, and then the drag and drop as well, which is really super easy to use. And also, if you want to access the other products in HubSpot for affordable price, you can opt into their bundle instead of individual products. So if you click the bundles in here, they do have 3 tiers. They have a starter, professional, and enterprise. For the starter plan, you can get the CMS Hub Starter that I just showed with you, and this Marketing Hub Starter. By the way, Marketing Hub Starter is more into a lead generation, so you can start at 1,000 marketing contacts if you open to the starter plan. Sales Hub Starter will be more into creating workflows, and aside from these important products in HubSpot, you can also access the Service Hub Starter and Operation Hub Starter. And if you want to see all the features that you can get, it's still the same, click the see all features. For me, this is super dope price to get started. And yeah, if you felt that the starter plan cannot longer support your needs, you can then open or upgrade to the professional plan. So what do you think about this HubSpot CMS Hub now? Again, if you need any assistance, if you don't know where to get started, you can always contact us for free using the link description below.